Good morning, student. So today we will start your new syllabus, which is recently added by CBSE in your curriculum. That is AI. So the full form of AI is artificial intelligence, and what is the role and what is use of AI in daily life, and that is almost similar to your computer subjects. But what is the difference between AI and computer? We will discuss in this subject. In the previous classes you have studied about the uh, five generation of computer system. So the AI is based on the fifth generation of system, that is recent, is under development or under developing. And few things you have listen or read about the AI based technology. And that is example of AI, that is Amazon Alexa, that is totally based on AI technology. Is just take the input from human voice and give the output according to the human needs. And so this type of the technology is totally based on AI, and so many countries are working on it. And if you know that the Israel is a country which that is air defense system is totally based on AI. जो इसराइल एक कंट्री है जिसका एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम जो है वो टोटली एआई बेस्ड है। एंड अभी रिसेंटली 2 साल पहले हांगकांग ने एक ऐसा रोबोट बनाया है दैट इज़ जस्ट लाइक एन ह्यूमन बींग, जस्ट टेक द इनपुट फ्रॉम द ह्यूमन एंड वर्क ऑन इट। सो दो जो आप रॉबोट्स देखते हैं या उनको वर्क करते देखते हैं, सो दैट इज़ अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ए आई, एंड दैट इज़ अ fifth generation computer system. So let's discuss about what is the AI and uh, what is the role of AI and where it is used. So let's move. So AI is a computer system that is used to reduce the task and efforts of human being. It's also used in taking the decision based on the different type of algorithms that is used in the intellectual process, that is used to take the decision. It is used to take the generalize or learn from the past experience. So that is the use of AI in so what is the various organization have us work on the AI, and they have an different platform. So let uh, see which is organization is used AI technology. The first one is Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is a financial institute of India and taking the financial decision for the Indian governments. So this institution is used AI, and there is so many financial decisions are taken by the AI based technologies. And second one is encyclopedia. You know very well about the encyclopedia. What is the use of encyclopedia? It's just like an book give the various information about a particular things. So encyclopedia is also based on the AI. How सपोज अगर आप गूगल में सर्च इंजन पे जाते हैं और वहाँ पे आप पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को सर्च करते हैं, रिजल्ट विल बी शोन इन जस्ट इन सेकेंड्स। बट encyclopedia के अंदर इफ़ यू सेलेक्ट एन पर्टिकुलर इमेज, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गिव द रिजल्ट अबाउट द इमेज यू हैव अपलोडेड। अगर आप इमेज को अपलोड करते हैं तो वो इमेज कौन सी है, किस पर्सन की है, किस पर्सनालिटी की है, या किस थिंग की है। सो ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन बाय द encyclopedia very easily. So that is a use of AI by the encyclopedia to give the particular information. And the third one is World Economic Forum, that is a international financial organization that is give the ranking of the various country. And the ranking is was based on the AI technologies. Okay, the fourth one is last, the European Union is a European organization there is used so many things by the AI. Okay, so these are institutions which is used in the AI to take the decision of financial and various type of the things. So now we are discuss about the various devices you have seen and used that is totally based on the AI technologies. The first example is very common, that is the Amazon Alexa, that is based on the AI technology. Just take the input of voice and just uh, do the task according your needs. So that is a very common thing, AI based technology. Now the second is automated car. That car is developed by Tesla, and the Tesla is very famous company. And recently, he has able its company is able to move on the sun. That is totally AI based technologies. So that is a Tesla car, and the car is fully automatic. There is no need of any driver. Is move on the road on the self. How? There is a camera on the front, on the top. He read the signal, road signal by these cameras, and move the steering, and all those things is happening is automatically, because this car is the AI based car. That is a very famous AI robot which is developed in the Hong Kong. uh, she's able to, and that's name is Sophia, and she's able to speak any languages which is used in the international languages. And she is able to make any decision. She work on your voice, and if you give the command to do the task, she will do very easily. So, and recently the Saudi Arabia has give the nationality to this robots, and that is a very famous robots. And you have seen all robots that is totally work on the AI technologies. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the role of AI, what is the device which is used AI. And explain more use with some example. Suppose you got the message in your mobile phone. सो आप क्या करेंगे, उसको मैसेज के अंदर जाके उसको रीड आउट करेंगे. दैट इज़ नॉट ए आई टेक्नोलॉजीज. एंड सपोज यू गिव द वॉइस कमांड टू योर मोबाइल डिवाइस टू जस्ट रीड आउट माई मैसेज, एंड वो आपको रीड करके स्पीक आउट करता है. दैट मीन्स दैट इज़ अ ए आई वर्क. दैट मीन्स दैट इज़ अ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस टास्क. सो इस तरह के टास्क जो होते हैं, आप मोबाइल फ़ोन में अगर आप सर्च कर रहे हैं, तो आप अपने वॉइस से उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को सर्च करते हैं गूगल पे. सो तो ये जो टास्क है, दैट इज़ अ ए आई टास्क. सो आई होप you will understand my first day lecture, AI, and the rest of the part we will discuss with you next class. So have a nice day, have a good day. And मैं आपको एक वर्कशीट दूंगा, टास्क. उसके अंदर 3 क्वेश्चन दे रखे हैं, उसके अंदर आपको उसको सॉल्व आउट करना है. पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि राइट द नेम ऑफ ए आई बेस्ड टेक्नोलॉजी. तो ऐसे आपको ए आई बेस्ड टेक्नोलॉजी को सर्च करना है गूगल पे, और उस डिवाइस और या टेक्नोलॉजी जो भी है उसको लिख के आपको मुझे असाइनमेंट, एज ए असाइनमेंट आपको सबमिट करना है. सो आई विल गिव यू दिस वर्क ऑन योर असाइनमेंट्स पोर्टल. सो डाउनलोड this worksheet and just do it very carefully. So have a nice day, have a good day. Thank you so much for this lecture, and if you have any query regarding this lecture, please given to me on your discussion form. Okay, thank you so much.